हेलो गाइस, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल डे ड्रीमर स्टडी में। सुबह सुबह का वक्त हो रहा है और मैं आप सभी से पूछना चाहती हूँ कि कैसा लगेगा कि अगर आप सुबह सुबह उठे और आपका फोन सडनली सब कुछ भूल गया है। आपका वो फेवरेट सॉन्ग, आपके वो सारे एप्स और आपकी वो व्हाट्सएप चैट, सब कुछ आपके फोन में से डिलीट हो गया है। आपका फोन का पासवर्ड, सब कुछ रीसेट हो गया है, सब कुछ हट गया है आपके फोन में से। Isn't it scary? पर क्या आपने कभी ये जानने की कोशिश की है कि आखिर आपके फोन में ये सारा डाटा स्टोर कहाँ होता है? कहाँ पर ये सारा डाटा स्टोर होता है आपके फोन में और कैसे आपके सिर्फ एक क्लिक करने से वो डाटा आपके पास आ जाता है? That is how your app find your favorite informations within seconds. So guys, welcome to the amazing world of DBMS. So whether you dream of becoming a software engineer, cracking placement or building your own app, DBMS is the most important subject we have to learn. So grab your notebook and make the notes for the DBMS so that it can be easy for you and you will not forget it. So let's start. Let's start with the word data. So the very first question to you guys is, what is data? Imagine your friends send you these messages like 80, 40, Rahul, Delhi. So what does this means? Absolutely nothing. These are just random facts. So it doesn't have any sort of meaning. So these random facts are called data. So, data is a collection of raw facts and figures that have no meaningful context. Think of a data like a brick. One brick itself that exists, but that is not exciting. But when you collect many bricks together, and then you can make something amazing. So that is the form of a data. So now, let us take an real life example. Imagine a grocery store. The shopkeepers write down milk, 60 rupees, bread, 70 rupees, rice, 90 rupees. These are only the piece of data that doesn't tell us anything useful yet, because these are written in different lines. These are not the price of what we are thinking of. These are just written in different lines. This is just a raw data. But what is an information? Let us think of it now. Now suppose the shopkeeper says, today's total sale is 200 rupee. Suddenly, now we understand something useful. That's called information. So information is processed, information is organized data that has meaning and help us in decision making. So now we have to know what is data. We know about data and we know about info. We get to know about these two things, that what is data and what is info. So let us repeat the definition of info. That is information. Information is processed and organized data that has meaning and help in decision making. For example, think about your math marks. In maths, you got 90. In science, you got 92. In English, you got 98. These are data. Not now, what if someone says, congratulations, your scores an average of 90% and stood first in your class? This is information. So data को जब हम process करते हैं तो information बनता है. So that is, we have to write like data is data that is processed. And then it form information. Data that is processed and then it form information. So now let us think of the difference between data and information. Difference. Let us think of data and information difference. So the raw facts, that is the raw facts. Data is a raw fact. Information, that is processed fact. No meaning alone. Data has no meaning alone, but information has meaning alone. You can't make any decision with the help of a data, but you can make decision. Decision making can be done with the help of the information. Now, data it is used as input, but information used for decision making. Data is used as input. Information is used for decision making. For example, 98. What is 98? We don't know what is 98, but information is, for an example, student scored 98 marks and topped the class. That is 98. So this is called information. For example, you have just writers like flour, sugar, egg, butter. These are like ingredients, but you are making a sentence or you are putting this thing on, like if you have, or for example, we have to take some another example, that is real life example. For example, we are taking as there's a survey in your locality where they have to check how many persons are a senior citizen, how many person are newborn babies, how many newborn babies are there, how many teenagers are there. And before collecting that information, that may be in the form of a graph, that may be in a form of a text, or it could be from a feedback and so. But when we collected this, we segregate that and we process that, and after processing that data, we collected the information where we get to know that there are 100 senior citizens in that locality, but there are only 5 newborn babies. So there may be a chances that we can open more hospitals over there, and as there are more senior citizens, but there is less teenagers staying over there, so we think of like we don't open any kind of school or colleges more in that locality. Due to that data, we collected the information, and by that information we are making some decision. So decision making, you can make a decision with the help of an information that we are doing with this sort of example. So in the next video we will learn more about what is DBMS, because DBMS, that is database management system, that we are learning in this video, and we cover its basic part, that what is the data, what is information, and what are their differences. More of that DBMS part we have to learn in our next video, so stay tuned. And आप जहां से भी हमें देख रहे हैं, हमारी वीडियो आप जहां से भी देख रहे हैं, वहां से आप मस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें। इसी तरीके से ही हमारी वीडियो हमारे चैनल पर बने रहें। बाय बाय गाइस, मिलते हैं आपको अपनी अगली वीडियो में।